Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all a chicken sandwich, and this one is going to be for a honey butter chicken sandwich. So if you've never had this before, you are going to love this. So let's dive straight into this recipe. So guys, to start this recipe we need to make some buttermilk. If you have store-bought buttermilk, that works fine also. So to my bowl I'm going to go in with some whole milk, or some stay fresh milk as it's called in Trinidad. And I'm going to squeeze in the juice of one large lemon, or you can use lime, or you can use white vinegar. Just gonna give this a mix. Now what you want to do is allow this to sit for like about 5 minutes, and by doing that it's gonna start to curdle and give you that buttermilk consistency. It's already starting to do that. Okay guys, the buttermilk is ready. Can you see the separation? That's what you're looking for, and that's as easy as it is to make buttermilk. So I'm gonna start with salt. Next goes in some black pepper, paprika, and feel free to season this with whatever you guys have on hand. Cumin powder, onion powder, some oregano, fine thyme, and all of these are dried, rosemary, garlic salt, celery salt, cayenne pepper powder, and some occou. And I'm putting occou or annatto just to give it some color. So all we have to do now is give this a good mix. To this I'm gonna break in 3 eggs. This is what's gonna help the chicken stick to that dry coating when it's time to bread the chicken. And just go ahead and give that a mix. Break it in and make sure that it's mixed in properly. Okay, next you're going to add in your chicken pieces, and for this I'm using chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Feel free to use chicken breast if you wanted to. And you're just gonna nestle that in there. Make sure that it's covered well, and we're going to allow this to marinate either overnight or for a couple of hours. Okay, let's prepare the dry coating. So to a bowl I'm going to go in with flour, cornstarch, which is going to give it a nice crunch, and now we're going to go back with all of the flavors that we marinated the chicken with. So I'm going to start off with some black pepper, salt, some of that occou or annatto powder. This is for the color, as I said. Paprika, celery salt, cayenne pepper, garlic salt, onion powder, cumin powder, oregano, fine thyme, dried rosemary. Give this a mix. Okay guys, now it's time to start dredging. We're gonna take our chicken out of our marinade, allow it to drain out properly. It goes into your flour and cornstarch mixture. Coat it really well. So we're going to double coat these, so we're gonna shake off the excess, and we're gonna go back into that liquid. So it goes back into here. Allow that to drain out. It goes back into your flour mixture. Now when you do this, what happens is you get a really nice thick coating. If you guys didn't want to coat this twice, you don't have to. So just make sure it's coated properly. Now I'm going to place my breaded chicken or floured chicken into my oil, and we're going to fry this on a medium low heat. You want it to take its time and cook, and you want it to have a really golden beautiful color on the outside. I'm going to go ahead and give this a turn. It has a really beautiful crust. It's going to continue to cook there. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 8 minutes and the pieces of chicken are nice and golden. I'm going to take it out and drain it on a wire rack. The wire rack is going to prevent it from getting soggy, and it's going to keep it nice and crisp. So guys, now it's time to assemble. I'm going to start by putting my honey butter on both sides of the bread. And trust me, you have to try this recipe. It makes a difference. Don't use any ketchup, any mustard or anything. This is unconventional and different. Next, you're going to go on with your chicken. And then I'm going on with some pickles and some jalapeno. That's all you need. And it's going to, all of those flavors combined, it's going to make this sandwich so delicious and mouth-watering. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Feel free to switch it up and use fish if you like. Comment down below and let me know if you try it. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.